Welcome to Video SOP for A10 kVm switch deployment. In this video, you can learn how to replace a faulty KE device in CCKM. In this example, two KE6920T devices will be used. The old KE transmitter is using the static IP 192.168.0.77 and has already been added to CCKM. The new KE transmitter is using DHCP with IP 192.168.0.61, and it is intended to replace the old KE transmitter but has not yet been added to CCKM. Please factory reset the replacing one if it had been utilized. Add the new KE transmitter to CCKM. Give it a new name as default name is existed. We can now see that both KE transmitters are in an online state in CCKM. Unplug existing old KE transmitter power adapter to simulate a faulty status. Click on the existing KE transmitter which is offline now. Click on Replace Devices. Select the new KE transmitter, then the existing KE transmitter configuration will be copied to the new KE transmitter. After the device reboot, the new KE transmitter is replaced the original one. Thank you for watching a 10 kVm over IP switch deployment.